So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a business card here on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is open up Vista Create. Once that is done, I want you to go to the home screen. So go to the top left, press on the home tab right here. So for example, if you were on tutorials, I'll go on the tutorial page right here. Just go to the home screen. So go to the top left, press on home. Once you're on the home screen, just go down a little bit to where it says the For You page, press on that, then where it says custom size, slide that bar all the way to the right until you come across an option. Keep going, this is business card right here. So this will also work under business and personal, but for simplicity's sake, how about we just select business card just like this. What you can actually do is select a blank business card or also browse templates if you want. So you can also change the size, 2.5 by 2.5, 3.5 by 2.5, whatever the case may be. Change your dimensions there. So if you wanted to select, let's just say, for example, browse templates, I'll browse templates right here. And how about I select this option right here of this business card, this one right here for Claire Stewart, who I guess in this demonstration is, I believe, a financial advisor and planner. So what you can do is you can edit this if you want. You can also create a blank one if you want. Get creative, do whatever you have to do, but pretty straightforward once you have the basis of it. Feel free to explore for yourself. But as I mentioned before, pretty straightforward. This is how to create a business card here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.